You got it.
I got it, yes. Yeah.
Can I see it?
Good morning. Started the day good. Ayla woke up happy. Did you wake up happy, baby? She slept really late last night. May footy kagabi, nanood ng konti ng footy kagabi. Pero ang tagal niya natulog. Okay. Do you want to tell the guys about the photo day yesterday? What happened to the photo day?
The photo I got mixed up.
Mixed up? What do you mean?
Cause the boys were playing and the girls had the photo.
So you had to take turns.
No, we did it. Only the boys did have a photo. Only the girls.
Only the girls had photos yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But the boys.
The boys were just playing?
Yeah.
But you had a photo. And can you show the guys the smile? Your smile? Did he? No, I'm not laughing. I just think it's funny that you did that pose on the photo.
It's not funny.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm just laughing at that pose. Can you show the guys your pajamas? Stand up. This fits perfectly. And it's a size 5. Snow White pajamas from Peter Alexander. And it's a size 5. Kasi may i-return ako mamaya. Kasi nag-order ako ng size 6. Kasi sabi ko ang 5, o kasyang-kasya. So dapat 6 na siya next year. Pakalaki. Sobrang laki ng size 6. Parang pa-Holy Veronica levels. Hello. Ako na talaga nakabihis na. Ang aga pa guys. 8:35 pa lang umaga. Nakakawindang na umaga. So, umalis na si Dan at saka si Ayla. So, pinakain ko na si Arlo ng breakfast. I was doing my own thing. Like, yung regular morning routine ko. Punta akong toilet. Pagpunta ko ng toilet, nakita ko yung bag ni Ayla nandun. Tinawagan ko si Dan. Sabi ko, naiwan mo yung backpack ni Ayla. Sabi niya, shoot, hindi ako makakabalik kasi may 9 AM appointment siya. Sabi ko, okay lang. Kasi very positive ako na tao. Okay lang, I'll drop it. So, ako na lang magdadrop. Si Dan, kung ano-ano yung iniisip niya eh. Hindi siya ganun ka-positibo na tao. Positibo siya na tao, pero he thinks about like other circumstances. Magko-close yung gate, mahihirapan ka kasi may bata. Kasi okay lang, kaya-kaya ko yan. May sports ka pa ni Arlo. That's fine. I'll get ready now and then I'll leave straight away. Okay, are you sure? Sabi niya. Sabi ko, hindi mo kaya. So, syempre, ako yung gagawa. Na-ready ko na yung self ko. Nakabihis na ako. Hindi na nga ako nakapang sports. Okay lang. Tapos tumawag siya kanina. Iko-close nga talaga nila yung gate. Yun kasi yung pinaka-worry niya. Iko-close yung gate. Saan ako magpa-park na malapit dun. Kasi nga, may mga bata guys. Kailangan ko ilabas si Indy sa car seat. Kailangan kong dala-dala ko si Arlo. May pram pa ako. Alam mo yun? So, mas convenient sana kung dun talaga ako sa labas na classroom ni Ayla. Kaya nga lang, iko-close yung gate. So, sabi niya, iko-close nga talaga nila yung gate. Pero, may number ako ng classroom mismo ni Ayla. Tatawagan ko lang yun. Tapos, they will open the gate for me. Or, maybe I can just hand them the backpack para ibigay kay Ayla. We'll see. Kung pwede kong ibigay lang sa kanila yung backpack para hindi na ako pumasok, hindi ko na ilabas yung mga bata, okay lang. That would be good. But yeah, that was my morning. Now, relax na ako kasi kanina sabi ko, magre-ready na ako. Kaya ko yan. Ako pa! Ready na nga talaga ako kanina. Ngayon, balik ako dito kasi sobrang aga pa. Sabi ni Dan, huwag kang magmadali. Kasi kapag sobrang aga ka, kawawa ka naman dun. Sobrang aga mo na naman sa sports ni Arlo. So, enough time na drop mo siya, tapos diretso ka sa sports ni Arlo. Kasi hindi ganun kalayo yung nila eh. Yung school at saka yung sports ni Arlo. So yun. That was my morning. But ready na ako. Nung tumawag siya at sinabi niyang alis ka na ngayon, alis na ako. Pwede na ako umalis. Ay, buhay. O, diba? Kasi may time pa tayo. I-try natin tong blurring pot ng anong brand yan? Basta ganyan yung packaging niya. FWEE. Yung nakalagay sa packaging. Shade nito is Fave. F-A-V. I got this from YesStyle. Kung interesado kayo, i-leave ko yung link sa baba. Uy, parang ang ganda ng shade. Parang apaka-autumn ng shade na to. Ay, ang ganda nito sa lips siguro. Pwede ata to sa lips eh. Diba? Blush on pa. Blush on. Mas madam. Cushiony siya. Parang nung pag-blend ko sa kanya, nawala na siya. Siguro mali lang yung pagka-blend ko. Or siguro, nandyan na yan. Hindi ko lang nakikita. Tapos biglang mamaya, ang pula-pula na pala ng aking cheeks. Try ko sa lips. Kasi parang ang ganda ng kulay niya for the lips. Oh, ang ganda-ganda ng kulay. Parang deeper shade. Oh my gosh, ang cute niya, guys. Pag pernis mo. See? Cushiony. O, diba? Ako na talaga. Na-film ko pa yung aking pagbablush on. Parang velvety yung kanyang texture. Lagyan ko lang nitong Bare Grape na shade ng Roman. Juicy Lasting Tint Bare Grape. That's from YesStyle as well. Now, I'm ready. Mag-earrings ka na lang din, sis. Ang cute nitong earrings na to, guys. I got it from Witchery. Square lang siya. Kakaiba siya, diba? Ang cute niya. Ay, anong uubusin natin? Perfume. Yan, paakit na si Dudong. Ubusin ko to. Agoy, ang dami pa nito. Who's ready to go?
Me!
And Indy! Are you ready to go? And Mommy! Let's go? Yung car seat niya nasa car, so ilagay ko na siya dun. Oh no, Igabubu! And on the knees? Oh. Are you okay? Are you strong?
Yeah.
That's good.
I hold a child. I hold.
Oh. Hello. Can you reach in this dummy leg? There. Ready, steady. Thank you, Allah. Alright, let me just text Kuya Jay.
Let's do Jay.
Yeah, Kuya Jay.
Let's do Jay. It's home.
Not yet. He's not home yet.
What about Tito John?
Tito John's home. He's in his home.
What about Tusak?
Kuya Zach is in his house too. We're all in their houses.
What about the Nine?
Tita Manay. Yeah, she's in her house too.
What about Hoye?
Holly
Yeah.
is also in her house. Ah, that's Jay.
What about Tusak?
Kuya Zach is in his house. Great timing, Jay. Oh, that's good.
Bye-bye.
So he will be
Puppy.
finished for sure
Puppy,
once we
puppy.
are.
What about Puppy?
Puppy's in his house. Hello.
What about Nanny?
Nani is in her house too. Everyone's in their houses. Is Indy sleeping?
He's up.
She's up.
He's up.
She woke up, yeah. It's alright.
It's so far away.
Ay, nagasgasan ko yung legs ni Indy. Wisit na belt na yan. Uy, hinubad ko agad yung belt. Sorry, Indy. Oh, ay, nagasgasan. Yeah, so I'm so sorry, Indy. I'm not wearing that belt anymore.
I'm sorry. I'm doing that.
Yeah, Mommy's not wearing that belt anymore, Indy, okay?
What's the TV?
That's not a TV. That's Mommy's screen. Car screen.
I need play down.
That's a playground.
I'm down.
Oh, you were there before, weren't you? A few days ago, you were there with Dada.
I'm down.
Yeah, we can go back if you want. What?
I like your hair.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna text Daddy that we have
I like Daddy's hair.
at Arlo Sports now.
Mommy,
Yeah?
I like Daddy's hair.
I know, I love Daddy's hair too. At Arlo Sports now.
Mommy, watch this, Mommy. Mommy,
He's so funny. Dropped Isla's bag off at
Daddy,
Arlo
that's Mommy.
Sports now.
Mommy, watch this. Don't get the back.
You're very funny, Arlo.
Ah!
Oi! Don't scream. I'm gonna get
It is easy.
Ready? Go! Hit the ball! Hit the ball! Go, go, go! Oh! Good job, Arlo! Pick another one. Pick another one. Put it there. Good job. Yeah. And then hit it again. Go. Oh, well done. Another one. Good job, mate. Yay. Hey, go pick 3 balls. Go pick 3 balls. Go. Yeah. And then you gotta hit it hard. It's heavy. Go. 1. Go. 1, 2. Oh! Yay! Tapos na kami. Nakaka-proud si Arlo, guys. As in talaga. Ano na talaga, ang laki na ng improvement niya when it comes to independence. Nasabihan ko lang siya, kapag nandun kasi, dapat kasama talaga yung parent. Alam niyo naman na may indie ako, so I always check on indie. Tapos kapag nakikita kong medyo umiiyak siya, pinupuntahan ko siya. So sinasabi ko lang kay Arlo, I'm just gonna put indie's dummy, okay? I'll be back. And he goes, okay. Tapos doon lang siya, nagstay lang siya doon. Hindi na siya like umaalis, sumusunod sa akin kasi ganun talaga siya eh. And mostly sa mga bata doon, ganun talaga, nakabuntot sa mami nila or sa parent nila. Tapos ang babait din ng mga ano doon, mga tao doon. Kasi kapag napapansin nila na busy ako kay Indy, nilalapitan nila si Arlo, tapos ina-assist nila si Arlo. So ang bait, ang bait. Like kanina, I had to feed Indy kasi na-timingan na ano niya, kailangan na niyang pakainin. Tapos may routine doon na kailangan yung kasama mo o yung parent mo dun sa kabilang end, tapos ikaw dun sa kabilang end para mag-throw ng bola, and yung isang staff yung gumawa para kay Arlo kasi lahat naman merong kasamang parent. Like syempre nandun ako, kaya lang I was feeding Indy. So sabi ko lang sana kay Arlo, ilapit mo sa akin yung basket para dun ako kasi nasa car seat si Indy when I was feeding her eh. Tapos nakita ng isa dun, nakita ni Georgia na nag-feed nga ako, so sabi niya ako na bahala. Bait-bait nila dun. Do you like Georgia, Arlo? Yeah, she's really nice, isn't she, Arlo? Is Luke nice too? You like Luke too? Yeah. They play with you, don't they, Meg? Sports is really good, isn't it, Arlo? Yeah. Yeah, you love sports?
I always time.
Huh?
Always time.
So, i-return ko lang yung, sabi ko nga kanina, yung Peter Alexander na pajamas. Kinuha ko yung size 6. Kasi pang ano naman, pang next summer pa naman siya susuotin kasi mga short sleeve siya eh. So, yung binili ko size 6. Kasi nga, meron si Aylang size 5. Tapos, kasyang-kasya na sa kanya ngayon. I-4 pa lang siya ha. So, dun, yun talaga yung nasa mind ko. Sabi ko, dapat pala sa Peter Alexander, size 6 yung i-order ko sa kanya. Kasi nga, yung meron siya size 5. Tapos chinek ko din yung material. Same ng material. Like 95% cotton, 5% elastane. Same material nung suot-suot niya kanina. But no, ang laki talaga ng size 6. Sabi ko kahit na next year, hindi talaga ito magkakasya kay Ayla. So yung ginawa ko, kasi in-order ko siya online eh. Naka extra 30% off. So in-order ko siya online kasi merong design doon na matchy-matchy kaming tatlo. Actually, kaming 4. So, yung 3 kids at saka ako. Hindi nga lang ganun kamachi yung kay Arlo. Pero parang around the same print yung sa kanya. Basta yung Golden Retriever na print. Eh, hindi siya available sa store. Kasi nagpunta kami last week, diba? Kasama sina, was it last week or the other week? Kasi yung kasama sina Kat, hindi siya available sa store. Pero no, before pa kami nagpunta ng store, in-order ko na talaga siya online kasi natatakot ako maubusan kami. And gusto ko talaga matchy-matchy kami. So, matchy-matchy kami dun. Nung pagka-receive ko ng package and I realized it's way too big, in-order ko ulit online yung size 5 naman. Size 5 nung 2 pajamas, parating. So, itong size 6, kailangan ko talaga siyang i-return sa store. Pwede namang i-return sana sa post office, kaya lang magbabayad ako ng postage. Hindi siya free return. Your mate, don't take off your socks because we're going in the shops.
How would I?
I'll put it on later. When we park the car, I'll help you, okay? Silly Billy. You took it off again. You're being silly.
Turn left onto Rawonga Road.
That's alright. Not a big deal. Dito na kami guys sa Mayor. Kanina pa kami dito actually. Napatulog ko nga si Indy na eh. Si Arlo nandyan na sa baba. Tingin-tingin lang ako. And meron pala silang display ng Airy talaga. Like, Airy. Yung brand na yan. American brand yan, diba? Or available siya sa America. Meron sa Mayer. Airy at saka American Eagle. Meron ding American Eagle. Kasi dyan ako bumibili ng underwear noon eh. Kasi meron silang double XS na size. Naalala ko nag-international order pa talaga ako noon. Tapos ngayon meron na. Nakakatuwa. Pero hindi ko na kailangan ng undies. Meron ako mga kinuhang mga top. Pang ano yan, pang pasalubong. Ang tagal pa natin yan mabibigay. Kailan pa tayo uuwi ng Pinas. Pero kinuha ko lang. Para ma-accumulate natin. Naghahanap din ako ng mga swimwear. Wala na silang display ata ng swimwear. Na-return ko na guys. Tapos may nabili ako. May nabili din ako. Ngayon I'm still shopping. Napunta ng pasalubong shopping tong ating patitipi. Gusto ko sana to. Kaya lang puting-puti naman. Hindi ako bumibili ng mga puti para sa fanbam. Ay, hala, may gray na to. XL. It's okay. Pauwi na kami guys. May batang umiiyak. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ayaw umuwi. I don't like it daw. Naka-phone siya. And alam niya, as soon as nasa car na kami, kukunin na yung phone niya. So, ayaw niya pang umuwi. Kailangan ko nang umuwi. Habang tulog pa si Indy. Ang ganda ng car park na nakuha ko. Diyan. Nasa gilid talaga kami. Tas malaki yung space. You ready to go?
No, let's stay here.
Bahay na ako guys. Nakapag-shopping ako ng pangpasalubong, in fairness. May mga naka-sale kasi ng mga short sleeve tops. Kasi nga, ano na, autumn na. Though apakainit pa din, but autumn na dito sa Australia. So nagsilabasan na yung mga pangmalamig. Kain muna ako. Tulog yung dalawa. Si Arlo, umiyak pa ng mga 5 minutes pa sa car. Hindi ko sila pinapa-cellphone. Walang cellphone talaga sa bahay. Walang iPad sa bahay. Kahit sa car, walang cellphone, walang iPad. Kapag nasa restaurant kami, pumipili kami ng restaurant na kid-friendly. Like yung may mga palaruan. Para hindi sila maka-cellphone, hindi sila maka-iPad. Kanina, kinailangan ko lang talagang bigyan. Kasi pinapatulog ko si Indy. Tapos nagiging grumpy na siya. Hindi ko kaya yung 2 grumpy na bata. So while putting her to sleep, binigay ko sa kanya yung phone. So nakapag-phone siya ng mga 20 minutes. Yun, nagising na nga. Magla-lunch ako. Lagyan ko lang ng cheese, spread, ng bread. Kasi hindi ko napansin yung oras. 12:51 na. Natuwa ako dun sa mga t-shirt. So feeling ko, nabilhan ko naman lahat ng t-shirt. Ang girls at saka ang boys. Kaming baba. I'm gonna get you now, baba. Hello. Kawawa yung baby natin. Nasaktan ko talagang baby natin, guys. Oh. May... Ito, oh. Kawawa naman yung baby namin. Uy. Yung sa belt ko. Isip na belt. Yung palettering niya na YSL. Tumama sa paa ni Inday. Na-scratch tuloy ang kanyang paa. Sorry, be. Mama kasi eh. Hindi ko na yun susuotin yung belt. Sorry na. Sorry na. I forgive you, Mama. It's okay, Mom. Yeah? Para lang yung na-scratch ng kuko, no? Para lang na-scratch ng kuko mo? Yeah? Sorry, bebe. Silly, Mami. Nagmamadali ako kanina. Sorry lang, my baby. You wanna bite Mama lang? Hello, guys. Love you. Not yet. Wait. Ready, steady.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Ma. Happy birthday to you. Hello.
Good job. Magluluto ako ng dinner. Well, prepare ko lang muna yung ingredients. Sabihin ko sana habang masaya pa. Pero parang hindi na siya masaya. Magluluto ako guys ng ginisang toge. Excited ako sa aking ginisang toge. Pinatulog ko kanina, ayaw matulog. So binaba ko ulit. Ngayon, oh. Antok na yan si Indy. Hindi pa yan natutulog eh. Since dumating tayo kanina. Anong oras ba ako dumating? 12:30? Nag-vlog ba ako kanina? Yeah, parang nag-vlog ako pagdating ko. Ano na ngayon guys? 4:40 na ata. Tumatawa man guys. Okay, tapusin natin. Onion. Alright. I'll put you to sleep, girl. Tulog na ang ating Inday. Ayan, oh. Si Daddy kakarating lang din galing shops. Nag-grocery shopping siya. Pupunta lang sana ng post office. Tapos sabi niya, daan na lang akong shops. So, bumili ng gatas, ng Indy, ng mga napis, ng yogurt, Yakult. So, let's cook. Apakadami ng chicken. Sabi ko kay Dad, isa lang yung bilhin eh. Sabi niya, nahihiya daw siya bumili ng isang, chicken thigh. So, dinalawa niya. Alright. So, carrots, onion, garlic, tomato. Unahin ko muna. Igisa ko muna.
Thank you, Princess.
Napakadami nito do. Kami lang kakain. Oil. Onion. Sunod ko na yung garlic. Hoy! Ay, nako kids. Onion. Kamatis. Sus, binigyan na naman ng tsokolate. Hintayin ko lang maamoy ko. And then, isusunod ko na yung chicken. Akala ko nag-film ako, ba't nilagyan ko ng Maggi Savor? I mean, Maggi Savor ba yan? Lagi kong tinatawag Maggi Savor to liquid seasoning. Pepper. Yung dalawa kong anak nag-aaway, tapos si Indy nagising. Good luck sa luto natin ngayon. Last step, toge. Apakadaming toge. Actually, yung matitira nito, pwede ko namang ilumpia, no? Para, kaya lang wala. May wrapper ba ako? I-check ko dyan mamaya. Ang bango-bango na guys. Tikman natin. Yung hindi ko nagising talaga. Ingay kasi ng mga kapatid. Dapat mahaba yung tulog niya. Kasi kanina pa yung gising. Tatagan ko lang asin. Masarap na. Luto na guys. Kanina pa pala to luto. Binigyan ko na din yung kids. Yan na lang natira. Yan yung aking plato. Konti lang yung rice ko. Yan lang yung rice ko. Tapos more on gulay. Pinatulog ko si Indy ulit. And she's sleeping again. So, kain na tayo habang tulog siya. Aalis yan si Dan. Sinabi ko ba sa inyo? May boys night siya. So, hindi siya dito magdi-dinner. Magpapabyan siya. Kasama ang kanyang mga boyfriends. Nangyari sa buhok na to. Ayla! Alo! Come on! Ito yung sakid. Sabi ko sa kanila, spaghetti to. Spaghetti may carrots. Yeah. Do you want me to sit there with you? You're welcome! Of course you will like it. Is it yummy? Yeah? Yeah. Eat it, Alo. Eat the rice. I like it daw, pero nasira yung mukha.
Mommy!
Oh!
Mommy, do you know what spaghetti is? It's noodles.
Yeah, it's spaghetti.
Yeah. Huh?
To my other family, I've got more kids I've got to go see. Yeah, I'm seeing my other family. And my other mummy. I've got another wife. I've got another kids. I'll see you later, Princess. Okay, I'll go say hello to my other family. Is that okay? What? Can I say hello to my other family?
No.
They miss me.
No.
Why?
No.
I just want to give them a big hug and kiss. His name's Barlow. And her name's Isling.
Yeah, Pew.
Barlow and Isling, I'm seeing.
Yeah, Pew.
Yeah, Pew. Do you want to play with my couple kids?
Yeah.
Really? Alright, I gotta go. Where's my kids?
What
Where's
number
my
is
kids?
this?
Hello.
What number is this? What number is this? Yucky. Yucky, Daddy.
That's alright.
Daddy,
Take your time.
what for me?
Daddy, you want a kiss?
You want a kiss?
No. Like this.
He wants you to rub his head. Alright, come on.
Daddy,
Clean up before you go to bed tonight.
I'll just kiss you.
He wants to kiss you.
How is it? Daddy, I'll kiss you. I'll kiss you. Yeah. Daddy? Yeah. You.
Careful.
Kiss. Kiss. My little. Lucky princess.
Oh my gosh, hurry up. Daddy needs to go. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Are we good?
And I hope you have a nice day and have a nice night.
What do you say, Alo?
And I hope you have a nice party. A nice party, yeah.
What did you get today?
I got some ring, a bracelet, and a necklace, and this. I need one.
What did you get, Alo?
This one's Spider-Man. And he only got one. And I got one. I got two, 3, 4. And I'm 4. I got a new one.
That's okay.
A big one.
We'll blow up your bowl?
Yeah. Now. Let's do it. Now. Now.
What do you say to Tito Wendell again?
Thank you. I love you so much. I love you so much. Yeah?
You appreciate it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine now.
Yeah. So, nagpunta si Dan ng post office. Sabi ko sa inyo halos every single time na nandun kami sa post office, may padala si Tito Wendell. Thank you, Tito Wendell. Inopen ko. Tapos, kasi meron para kay Ella, tsaka para kay Arlo. Binigay ko na sa kanila. They've been really good. They ate their food, guys. First time nilang kumain ng toge. Kinain nila. Hindi lang inubos ni Arlo yung toge. Si Ayla kumain siya ng toge. In fairness sa kanya, good job eating carrots and toge. So, binigyan ko sila. Yeah.
Is that for me?
Wait. There's a lot. You have to choose one for now to match your... Because there's heaps. You can pour it, yeah. Alright, hey.
Thank you. I love lots of rings.
You're so lucky, baby. Look at all that.
Which one do you like? I want you to choose which one do you
You want me to choose?
Yeah.
I think the purple one is the best one.
Oh my god, we got this one.
Ayla wants to show you something. I think she did something with his See? Okay, choose one and then I'll keep the rest. Oh, that's perfect actually, baby. Just one, okay? It's not very safe for Indy. Yeah, I wanna blow that. I need to find... I'm not sure if we have something to blow that Alo. I'll look for it, okay, Alo?